Have you ever wondered how the world looks from the eyes of a creature in the wild? Imagine the symphony of life that unfolds every day in the untamed corners of our planet, where every creature from the mightiest predator to the tiniest insect plays its part in the grand theatre of nature. Our world is a kaleidoscope of wildlife species, each with unique adaptations that have been honed over millions of years of evolution. From the elegant giraffe, whose long neck allows it to reach the tender leaves of towering trees, to the stealthy snow leopard, whose white coat blends seamlessly into the snowy peaks of the Himalayas, every creature is a testament to the power of natural selection. But it's not just about the individual species, it's about the intricate web of life that they are part of, the biodiversity. Biodiversity isn't just a measure of the variety of life on Earth, it's the life support system of our planet, the very fabric that sustains us all. Every species, no matter how insignificant it may seem, has a role to play in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. The humblebee, for instance, is a tireless pollinator, enabling plants to reproduce and create the oxygen we breathe. The majestic elephant, on the other hand, is a keystone species, shaping the landscape and influencing the types and numbers of other species in its habitat. Yet the world of wildlife is shrouded in mystery. For every species that we've studied and understood, there are countless others that remain unknown to us. Their behaviors, their adaptations, their roles in the ecosystem, these are the secrets that we are yet to uncover. But don't worry, we're not going to leave you in suspense. We're going on a journey into the wild. We'll delve into the lives of these fascinating creatures, exploring their habitats, understanding their behaviors, and appreciating their roles in the grand scheme of things. In this journey, we will uncover the secrets of the wild, one species at a time. In the wild, survival is the game and predators are the masters. Their role in the grand tapestry of nature is undeniably significant. Let's take a closer look at these mighty predators, their hunting techniques, and the roles they play in controlling the population of other species. Imagine a lion, the king of the jungle, stalking the savannah with stealth and precision. It's not just about the kill, it's a strategic game of patience, speed, and strength. Or consider the great white shark, a formidable predator of the deep blue sea, gliding through the water with unmatched power and agility. Their precision in hunting is a testament to nature's intricate design. Now let's move to the sky. The peregrine falcon, the fastest creature on Earth, soars high above, then dives at breathtaking speeds to snatch its prey mid-flight. It's a spectacle, a dance of life and death played out in the vast expanse of the sky. But these predators are not just hunters, they are regulators, maintaining a delicate balance in the ecosystem. By controlling the population of other species, they prevent overgrazing and ensure the survival of many other species. It's a role of immense responsibility, a contribution often overlooked due to their fearsome reputation. However, these mighty predators face challenges of their own. Habitat loss and climate change pose significant threats to their survival. The shrinking forests, melting ice caps, and polluted waters are taking a toll on their hunting grounds and food sources. It's a battle for survival, not just against their prey, but against the changing world. Despite these challenges, predators continue to adapt, evolve, and fight for their place in the world. They embody the raw essence of survival, the relentless pursuit of life in the face of adversity. Predators, despite their fierce reputation, play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our ecosystems. Their survival is not just about them, but about the future of our planet and the intricate web of life it supports. Let us remember, these mighty predators are not just hunters, but guardians of our ecosystems. Often misunderstood and overlooked, scavengers are the unsung heroes of the wild. Let's take a closer look at these fascinating creatures. Scavengers come in all shapes and sizes, from the majestic vultures soaring high in the sky to the humble dung beetles rolling their precious cargo across the savannah. They are the recyclers of nature, turning death and waste into life and growth. Scavengers play a crucial role in maintaining the health of ecosystems. They are the cleanup crew of the wild, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. By consuming the remains of dead animals, they recycle nutrients back into the soil, nourishing plants and promoting growth. But their role goes beyond just recycling. Scavengers also help control the spread of disease. By quickly disposing of carcasses, they prevent pathogens from multiplying and spreading, acting as a natural barrier to disease. Despite their vital role, scavengers face numerous threats. Many are poisoned, either intentionally by those who view them as pests or unintentionally by consuming contaminated carcasses. Others are threatened by habitat loss and climate change. Some scavenger species are now critically endangered. The vultures of India and Africa, for example, have seen their numbers plummet in recent decades. This has led to a rise in disease as carcasses are left to rot, illustrating the crucial role these birds play in maintaining the health of ecosystems. Efforts are being made to protect these unsung heroes. Conservation programs are working to reduce poisoning, protect habitats, and reintroduce endangered species, but there is still much work to be done. To appreciate scavengers is to understand their importance. They are not the villains of the wild, but rather the custodians of nature, ensuring that life continues in the face of death. Their role in the circle of life is as vital as it is underappreciated. Scavengers, in their unique way, contribute significantly to the well-being of our planet. They are a testament to nature's incredible ability to adapt, survive, and even thrive in the face of adversity. So the next time you see a scavenger, remember they're not just surviving, they're serving the planet in their own remarkable way. In the wild, survival is not always about strength, but often about wit and adaptability. For many species, the key to survival lies not in brute force, but in the clever tricks and strategies they've developed over countless generations. One such strategy is camouflage, a masterful art that can make an animal virtually invisible in its environment. The leaf-tailed gecko of Madagascar, for instance, has evolved to look exactly like a leaf, right down to the details of its skin mimicking the veins of a leaf. This ingenious adaptation allows it to hide in plain sight, disappearing from the view of predators and prey alike. Mimicry, on the other hand, is a survival technique where an organism imitates the characteristics of another species. Take, for example, the harmless milk snake, which has adopted the bright, warning colors of the venomous coral snake. This clever ruse deters potential predators who mistake it for its deadly doppelganger. In the vast oceans, the cuttlefish is a master of disguise and deception. This quirky creature can change not only its color, but also its texture and shape in an instant, transforming itself to match its surroundings or even mimic other marine creatures. Yet while these species have found ingenious ways to survive, they face a threat that their natural adaptations cannot guard against: the impact of human activities. Deforestation, pollution, climate change, and other human-induced factors are increasingly encroaching on their habitats, pushing these ingenious survivors to the brink. The plight of the polar bear, for instance, stands testament to this. As global warming melts their icy hunting grounds, these magnificent beasts are being forced to swim longer distances, often leading to exhaustion and even death. The ingenious survival strategies of these species are a testament to the marvels of evolution and the diversity of life on Earth, yet they also serve as a stark reminder of our responsibility to protect these creatures and their habitats from the threats posed by our own species. These ingenious survivors remind us that nature is full of surprises and adaptations. As we marvel at the wonders of wildlife, it's crucial to reflect on our role in their survival. The intricate dance of life we've explored in the previous scenes, from the stealthy predators to the ingenious survivors, all play their part in the grand symphony of nature. But where do we fit into this picture? We're not just spectators in this grand arena, we're participants. Our actions, as minor as they may seem, can have profound effects on the wildlife around us. Take, for instance, the humble bee. These tiny creatures play a vital role in pollination, yet they are under threat from pesticides we use to protect our crops. By choosing organic produce, we can help to reduce this threat. Similarly, our consumption habits can directly impact the survival of the mighty predators we admire. The demand for products derived from these animals, such as fur or ivory, fuels illegal wildlife trade, pushing these creatures to the brink of extinction. By making conscious choices like opting for cruelty-free products, we can help to curb this demand. But it's not just about what we consume, it's also about how much we consume. Overconsumption leads to habitat destruction, which in turn threatens the survival of wildlife. By adopting sustainable habits like recycling or reducing our energy use, we can help to mitigate this impact. Conservation efforts can also play an essential role in their survival. By supporting organizations that work towards the protection of wildlife, we can contribute to the preservation of these magnificent creatures. It's a collective effort, a shared responsibility. We're the custodians of this planet, and it's our duty to ensure that the harmony of nature is maintained. Our actions can either contribute to the decline or the survival of these species. Remember, every action counts. Our choices can help ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to thrive in the wild.